Macca,
Yeah, mate.
I think you better wind faster.
It is.
Yeah, okay.
It's going as fast as it can.
Yeah.
We're at 150 metres and we're still fighting all the way. Hop, bump, bump.
What do you got, Macca?
I'd say blue eye, mate. Hopefully a big mother.
Oh, yeah.
Make it number 2 for the trip. With this raging current that there's no blue eye at.
Where are we? Easter browns, aren't we?
Special browns.
Yeah, special browns. Look out. We're going to kill some fish today. Look what we got in the esky here. I'll take you for a look. Not bad, eh? We're going to bring his big brother in.
Meters.
90 metres, eh, Macca?
90 metres and we still fight.
Yeah. What are we using for bait, Macca?
2 bars pillies from the servo.
Servo pilly. Beauty. That rod's got a bounce up. How many metres to go, Macca?
60.
60. Might need to play with that gas in a minute. There's a few other boats out here today, not that many, but it's not a car park.
Car park with no fish spoons called on board.
Look at the ocean, oh my god.
Terrible.
So terrible. I think I'm better have another beer, Macca.
20 metres, mate.
Alright.
Still no colour.
Any colour?
No colour.
No colour. Water's greeny, eh?
Yeah.
It's not blue. Oh, Macca, wine away.
Oh.
You got some?
Oh, I've got some. Oh, here he comes.
Here he comes, we've got colour there.
Doing circle work.
I don't think he's happy about his situation. There's only one on board. Big one coming. Oh yeah, he's not a bad size. We'll do the job.
Oh, yeah.
Bring him up for the camera, Macca. Nice one, mate. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Eebity, that's all, folks.